Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery health status on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. Start by opening settings on your phone, then scroll down to battery menu. Open it and then scroll down to the battery health menu right here and open it too and check the maximum capacity level. This is the current health state of your device. So if it goes lower, you'll be notified in the same menu about the time when you should replace the battery on your phone. Usually the number for replacing the battery, the optimal number, is around 75% of the battery capacity. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.